Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to share a tweet to your Instagram story. Sharing tweets on your Instagram story is a great way to increase your followers across both platforms. So, let's get started on how to share a tweet to your Instagram story. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Select the tweet you want to share. Tap the share icon below the tweet. Choose Instagram Stories from the sharing options. Edit your story in Instagram by adding text, music, or filters. Tap your story to post a tweet to your Instagram story. View the tweet by tapping on the story on Instagram. And that's how you can share a tweet to your Instagram story. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.